everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chief Francis. Today I'll be showing you a simple tutorial or DIY on how to remove skin tags from your body, be it on your face, your arm, your neck, wherever. The first thing we have here is apple cider vinegar. We have our 100% pure castor oil, and here we have our Canadol dusting powder. It is clotrimazole. And here we have our tea tree essential oil, and here we have our Skineal. So many women or even men suffer from skin tags. Some women, their skin tag is as a result of after childbirth, some unknown causes, some due to the creams they apply, or I really don't know what causes skin tag. Some is hereditary, So the apple cider vinegar, you're going to use your cotton wool, dab it on the apple cider vinegar and use to clean the affected area, the affected parts. Leave it for a while, then apply this mixture. If you have skin tag, please do not scrub. Same as those who have acne, you don't scrub that area, because once you scrub, you're aggravating it and you're making it to spread. So please, if you have skin tag, do not scrub. If you have acne too, do not scrub. For acne, you can use a face cleanser or a toner that has salicylic acid, a serum that has salicylic acid to apply. Do not scrub, please. Just use your apple cider vinegar to clean the affected parts for skin tag. So what we have here is our Skineal. I only put little just because it's a tutorial. Skineal is an antifungal and antibacterial tube. Look at the powder I'm using, clotrimazole. It's an antifungal and antibacterial too. You can use any dusting powder of your choice, either Dermatol, Agnesia, any good dusting powder. You can use it if you can't find this one. And here we have our castor oil and our tea tree oil. So I'm just going to pour in the castor oil. This is about half tablespoon into this. And then I'm going to add the dusting powder. This is 1 tablespoon, but level spoon. It's not really full. I don't want to. I'm making this for a friend. The other day we went to church. She has skin tags on her face. And a guy sitting close to her was just staring at her. The guy let her stood up from there. Like so many people with skin issues, they face such stigma. People look at you and wonder, this fine girl, Some will see it and feel irritated. But you don't have to feel a certain type of way. You have to love yourself for who you are, no matter what you are suffering from. It's just a matter of time, and there will be a solution. So what I'm putting now is the tea tree oil, 20 drops. That's enough. And I'm just going to use my little wicks to whisk it up. So this is how it should be after mixing. This is the consistency you want to get. It shouldn't be watery and it shouldn't be too thick. After that, just store in your clean and sterilized container. And that's it. Super easy with just 3 ingredients, which are Skineal, castor oil, dusting powder, and tea tree oil. But please, before you apply this mixture, make sure you clean the affected parts with apple cider vinegar. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Thumbs up if you like. This is very, very effective. Very, very effective. You'll thank me for it. Bye.